This video explains how to control a Senstar thin client from the Symphony VMS and use it in video wall applications. Organized into the following sections, this video explains how to add a thin client as a device to Symphony, remotely manage its layout, and display active events. Install and configure the thin client as shown in the video connecting the thin client to the Symphony VMS. The thin client should already be able to display live and recorded video. A Symphony Windows client must be installed on a PC connected to the network. The first step is to add the thin client as a hardware device. Log into the Symphony server configuration page. In the device page, click Hardware. Click Add Hardware. In the manufacturer list, select Senstar. Enter the IP address and login credentials of the thin client. Click Connect to Device. If the configuration is valid, an OK message is displayed. Click Save to keep the changes. The thin client is added to Symphony. After the thin client is added to Symphony, operators can control its display remotely from the Windows client. In the device tree, click on the thin client. The current layout is displayed in a new window. Resize and move the window as required. Drag cameras from the device tree into the thin client layout. Changes appear immediately. To view full screen, right-click and select Full Screen. To exit, select Exit Full Screen. To change the layout, select Change Layout and pick the size of the grid. The new layout is immediately displayed. The thin client can switch camera views when an event or an alarm occurs. For example, if an intrusion is detected by a perimeter sensor, the linked camera can be called up. To enable view switching, right-click on the panel and select Settings. Configure the settings as required. The thin client will now switch views when an event or alarm occurs. For more information or technical support, visit us at senstar.com.